This program would help immensely all the kids who are not confident and who want to be independent and they want to do something in this world which inspires everyone. And this probably would help all the kids in that journey, and that is the reason I want my son to join this, and hopefully he will do well and he will do great. Thank you.
I am mother of Vednaman. He is a student in Mayoor school. I have just enrolled him to White Canvas Young CEO Program. I have always seen him having an entrepreneurial streaks. He always talks about business. He always talks about his business plans to do a lot of stuff. I think this would be the right program. I have enrolled him. I am looking forward to see him grow excellently well under the guidance of the seniors here from the team. Thank you so much.
I recently did this workshop from White Canvas India. I think the thing which I really liked from this workshop is the Scamper tool, which has many benefits, and I think this will make me future ready. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ved. I recently sat through the workshop by White Canvas for the Young CEO Program, and I have enrolled for it, and I honestly like the inclusivity of the program and how it reaches out to everyone on anything that they might like or might eventually like.